In this video, I'm going to explain how you can speak to someone at Charles Schwab. So you want to go to their official website, which is schwab.com, and then up here it says contact us. Now, if you click on that, as you can see, you get different numbers so you can call for each and every single service they offer. So over here, they have for a Schwab brokerage, password reset, bank, intelligent portfolios, trading services, and then workplace retirement plans. They all have a different number, so these are the numbers you can call if you want to actually speak to someone over Charles Schwab. But if you want to contact them via a different way, not via phone, you can click over here, more ways to contact Schwab. And then from here, as you can see, you can chat with a specialist. You can even find a branch near you, and then you can see where those different branches are and the numbers, yet again, that you can call if you want to essentially get in touch via phone. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.